Mop Up, Unveiled. English phrases explained. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, mop up. This is a common English expression with a couple of different meanings. By the end of this video, you'll understand when and how to use it correctly. Let's dive in. Mop up originally comes from a very tangible action. Imagine you've spilled some water on the floor. You would take a mop to absorb and clean the spill. In this context, mop up means to clean up a liquid or mess using a mop. Example: after the party, I had to mop up the juice that was spilled on the floor. In a broader context, mop up can also be used in a figurative sense. When we say mop up in various contexts, it can mean finalizing or completing tasks that are left over after the main work has been done. Example: after the main event was over, there were a few details to mop up. In military contexts, mop up refers to the action of soldiers in removing or eliminating isolated remnants of resistance. For instance, after a major battle, there may still be some pockets of enemy resistance. The army would mop up these remaining forces. Example: the main battle was won, but the troops had to mop up the last pockets of resistance. 1. Context is key. Understand the situation you're in. If you're talking about cleaning, then it's likely the literal meaning. In a business or casual context, it's often the figurative sense. 2. Pair with relevant vocabulary. When using mop up in its figurative sense, it often helps to pair it with words that set the context. Words like details, tasks, or responsibilities can be indicators. 3. Avoid overuse. Like all idioms and phrases, it's good to use mop up judiciously. Overusing it can make your language sound repetitive. And that's a wrap on mop up. Whether you're cleaning up a mess or tying up loose ends after a project, now you know how to use this versatile phrase. I hope you found this video useful. Keep practicing, and soon these English phrases will become second nature to you. Happy learning!